Hey, hi, lovely people. Welcome back to our channel, Our Happy Place. So today I'm going to show you how we turned a boring window into a peaceful home corner. Creating a window garden can be a wonderful thing to do. We decided to create this space as we had a construction going on at the side of our building, and it made this window look so dull with all the dust. So this is the window, and here is where we are going to show you how we changed this space into a peaceful and relaxing corner. The small changes that we create in life make so much of difference. It can be anything, changing your curtains or even just rearranging furniture. Trust me, the output is so refreshing. So once I got things cleaned up, it was time for me to start. So to begin with, I first removed the existing curtains. And got the window grill dusted. So I decided to use these white base curtains as it would refresh the space and make this corner look bright. We were really awaiting the outcome, as for months the construction beside us didn't allow us to do anything to the space because of the dust. After using these curtains, it sure made a big difference, so much of light, and it created such a breezy feeling already. I then placed this wooden seating bench that we painted teal. It served perfect for the window space. The color of the bench blended so well with the curtains. Using snake plants are wonderful air purifying plants, and it's great to have them placed indoors. I placed the snake plant in this corner. To begin with the window, I started by using these railing planters with these low light hanging vines. It already felt like half the work was done. Then I placed this window metal stand to hold these flower pots with my favorite Enjoy pothos. Now onto the bench, I started adding all the other plants that we like. Plants add such life to any dark corner. It has magic that can create such positive and refreshing vibes. So it was time for me to display all my beautiful burlap planters from Amazon and this beautiful ceramic bird that I had got from Home Center. To this corner, I placed this beautiful and amazing Sansevieria plant in this DIY rope planter. This is also another beautiful plant to have indoors. So over here I added this iron planter stand with a plant. This can be used either indoors or outdoors. It can also be used as a beautiful side table just beside your couch. Moving on to this corner, I wanted to create a nice cohesive seating space as well, so I added this carpet and some cushions, with some little tiny details that would give it more elegance. A diffuser is always the perfect way to add mood and sparkle to your home. So over here I also added a scented candle beside it. Books can be great to add height to decor or plants. I added a few books with these pothos in a ceramic jar. I then wanted some details on the curtains, so I added this artificial vine from the curtain rod. So finally I was done, and we were totally in love with this outcome. The perfect spot to sip on coffee or read a book, or simply sit back and look at your memory album. Do what you love, do what makes you happy, organize and make things perfect. Stay in love with little things in life, for life itself is too little. I would definitely be spending a few hours here every day, looking back at all the beautiful memories that life has given me. So yes, thank you all for watching this video. Please do consider subscribing. Do like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Do let me know what you think about it. Do leave your valuable comments, and also try doing something like this in your home. Make it a very cohesive and a cozy space, and also with an aesthetical touch. Thank you for now. Stay blessed. Bye.